In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download InShot Pro app on Android. First, you will need to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the official app marketplace for Android, where you can find and download a variety of applications. You can recognize it by its colorful play icon. Once the store is open, you'll be greeted with a plethora of apps and games. This is a crucial step as the Play Store ensures you are downloading safe and verified applications. Take a moment to orient yourself before moving on. Next, you'll need to search for InShot-Video Editor and Maker. At the top of the Play Store, there is a search bar. Tap on it and type in InShot-Video Editor and Maker. As you type, the Play Store will suggest related apps, but ensure you look for the exact name. This step is important because it helps you find the right application among many similar ones. Once you enter the name, you should see a list of results appear on the screen. Now, tap the app developed by InShot Video Editor, which is associated with the developer Shantano Pte. Limited. It's essential to select the correct one to avoid downloading imitations or unwanted applications. You will know you have the right app when you see the iconic logo that features a camera icon. This ensures you are getting the original app, which is crucial for functionality and support. Once you confirm the app, you can proceed to the next step. After selecting the app, tap Install. This button is usually located on the app's page, and once you tap it, the download process will begin. The screen will indicate that the app is being downloaded and installed. Watching this progress is reassuring because you know that the app is being set up on your device. It may take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so be patient while the installation completes. Once the installation finishes, you will see an Open button appear on the screen. Tap Open to launch the InShot app for the first time. This step is exciting because you are now ready to explore the functionality of InShot. After tapping Open, the app will load and you will be greeted with an intuitive interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout before you dive deeper. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. This step may not always occur, but it is important for accessing certain features and saving your projects. Signing in ensures that your data is backed up and that you can easily retrieve it later. If you already have an account, enter your credentials, and if not, you may need to create one quickly. Now, to get InShot Pro, tap the Pro or Premium option inside the app. You will find these options prominently displayed within the app interface. This is where you can enhance your editing experience with additional features. Purchasing a subscription or a lifetime plan through Google Play is essential because it unlocks the full potential of the app. This gives you access to powerful editing tools that can elevate your video projects significantly. Remember, the Pro version is unlocked via an in-app purchase. There is no separate InShot Pro app. This detail is crucial because it clarifies any confusion about finding a separate app. You only need the regular InShot app to access the Pro features through the purchase. Once you complete the purchase, you are all set to start creating amazing videos with your new editing tools. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on downloading the InShot Pro app on Android. Enjoy your video editing journey.